Okay, so when we look at our drawing here, we can see that the next part is the tower. So let's make sure that we add a new layer and call this one the tower layer. And we're going to need a rectangle. You can see that we don't want to go all the way to the top because there's something on top of that rectangle. So I am going to draw a rectangle just like that. Now we want to use red instead, so I can go to my gradient tool and draw a cross and then change these colors. So I'm going to use a bright red and a darker red and bring that brighter color here into the middle. Of course, with our reflective gradient technique, we can just grab another copy of that red and bring it over here, and then decide like just where we might want that kind of reflection so that we have that rounded effect, the beveled effect on there. Now this one, even both of these may have strokes that are a little thick. Let's reduce that just a little bit. And let's look at the next part, our two thin triangles, again making the base wider than the top, making it more stable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my direct select tool, select my tower layer, and it helps if you zoom in here so that you can really see these anchor points. You may have noticed these guys right here, those are for rounding off the corners if you wanted to. If you don't, if you decide not to, bring it all the way back out. You can also click once and then it'll do just one corner, which can be really handy with some of these drawings. I'm going to put it very carefully right back out there. Use my direct select tool and bring this anchor point by clicking once and then bringing it out. Holding down shift again will make it go out perfectly straight. Let me grab this one here, click, let go, and then click again, holding down shift to widen it. Let's take a look at what we have. So we've, oh, this is not working. Yes, that doesn't look too bad. So you're just going to continue step by step, adding in your own details as you go, trying to add more visual interest with the gradients and anything else that you can think of.